In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a single app on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Whether you want to hide an app from others or just organize your iPhone home screen to reduce clutter, hiding apps is quick and easy. First, go to the screen where the app you want to hide is located. Let's say I want to hide the Pinterest app. Now, long press the app icon. From the options, tap Remove App. In the confirmation box, tap Remove from Home Screen. And just like that, the app will disappear from your home screen. But don't worry, if you want to access this app later, you can still find it in Search and in your iPhone's app library. So, that's how you can hide a single app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.